Good everyone. Today is a beautiful day that the Lord has made. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you are welcome. I promise you are going to enjoy every bit of my video. I want to go and make my hair. I want to change this hair. It's not as if it's too old, but I was not feeling the hair. So I went to hair salon that is close to my house to make another hair. Sorry. I was very happy because I was free. Like, I'm happy that I'm using this. I was not feeling it again. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do need to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my video. I promise you're going to enjoy every bit of it. Oh God. See if I get that. I have dimple. So at this point, I want to eat before I will faint. Please, you guys should not mind those noises. Focus on my mouth or my lips is giving pain over there. I wish the food was big. I would have shared it to everyone. I enjoy the food share. The food is sweet though. Fast forward to where I finished using the hair. No, my hair have got this. Like, I don't know what is eating my hair. If you have any remedy for it, I beg you should let me know. Oh, me feeling my baby. This is when I was watching my hair. Like, this woman scratched hair out of my